Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. I wanted to keep this one short, sweet, to the point. It's about transferable skills in clinical research. If you are a coordinator, you have a lot of transferable skills that monitors require without probably even realizing it. So have you ever reviewed a colleague's work? Have you ever prepared for a monitoring visit by checking your own source against the EDC and against the protocol? Have you ever checked the investigator site file to make sure it's complete? Have you ever double checked investigational product accountability? Guess what? These are all transferable skills that CRAs do. The problem is no employer is going to sit there, look at your resume and guess, okay, this person was a CRC, so in that case, they must have done this stuff. Why do they not assume that? Because at some sites, things are so streamlined that coordinators don't do those kind of things. So if you're at one of those sites, the majority of sites, where coordinators do those kind of things, you need to put that on your resume. Those are considered transferable skills. Now, somebody asked me, well, in applications, sometimes they ask me, how many years do I have of monitoring experience? So you can't actually say that that's monitoring experience, but you'll put 0 for that, but your resume will show source data verification, source data review, monitor visit preparation. That's essentially you're doing a monitoring visit without it actually being a monitoring visit, because you're not doing a monitoring report that's going to the trial master file. But if you've ever been through an audit, you can actually put that on your resume too. If it was an FDA audit, if it was a sponsor audit, just like sites do it, you could put that on your resume and say, I've successfully been through 3 sponsor audits and 1 FDA audits with no major findings. Boom. Why can't you put that on your resume if sites put that on their brochure when they're being considered for future studies? That's a plus. That's an added benefit of you and the experience that you've had during your day-to-day life as a CRC. So these are some of the things you got to think of. These are maybe things I would emphasize in the cover letter. I'm not a huge fan of cover letters, but that's something I would emphasize in the cover letter. Don't embellish on the actual application. Maybe not every job is for you, but there are tons of jobs out there where they're perfectly happy with this experience, but they're not going to sit there and guess. They're not fortune tellers. They're not able to see, okay, this is what this person's done, this is what this person hasn't done. You have to let them know. You have to make it easy for these job recruiters. Wanted to keep this short. Talk to you later, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Bye-bye.